Investment explained, what you really need to know. Investing can feel overwhelming when you first approach it. There's jargon, charts, opinions everywhere, and people telling you what you should be doing. The truth is, when you strip away the noise, investing becomes far easier to understand. At its core, investing is simply putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow or generate income over time. It's the long-term engine that helps your wealth move beyond savings alone. There are a few main ways people invest, and once you understand them, the whole picture starts to make sense. Shares are one option. You are buying a small piece of a company. If the company grows, your share can grow in value, and some companies also pay income through dividends. Shares move with the market, so they rise and fall, but they're a common long-term strategy. Then there are exchange-traded funds, or commonly known as ETFs. Instead of buying one company, you are buying a collection of companies in a single investment that spreads risk and gives you broad exposure without needing to pick winners. Managed funds work in a similar way, except a professional manager chooses and maintains the underlying investments for you. They can target different sectors or regions depending on the strategy. Bonds and fixed income work differently. You're lending money to a government or semi-government or company and receiving regular interest in return. They are often used for stability, especially when markets feel unpredictable. And of course, there's cash and long-term deposits. Safe, simple, and steady. Often used for short-term needs or as a way to reduce overall risk. Every investment sits somewhere on a spectrum from lower to higher risk. The right mix depends on your goals, your time frame, and how you feel about market movement. There's one more piece people often miss. Where you hold your investments can matter just as much as the investment itself. Superannuation, personal ownership, and trust structures can all change how your returns are taxed and how effectively your wealth grows. This is why investing isn't about chasing the latest trend. It's about understanding the options, choosing what supports your long-term plans, and building a structure that helps those investments work harder for you. At Think Capital Advice, we help people make sense of these choices so they can invest with purpose, not pressure, and build a financial future that feels steady, strong, and achievable. If you are ready to make informed financial decisions, you're welcome to reach out to our team. I'm Norma Falconer from thinkcapitaladvice.com.au.